Hello students. In my previous lecture, I discussed worksheet 4 of unit 2. Today, I will discuss brain teasers. Let us start. First question, tick the correct answer. The sum of greatest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number is. What is the greatest 4-digit number? And what is the smallest 6-digit number? Let us write these two and add. So it should be 1,09,999. It should be the right answer. Okay. Next, 4 times 9 divided by 99. When we will do this division, 99 ones are 99. We will get 0. Take down one digit. Now it's not divisible, so we will have to take one more digit, and in that case we have to put here 0 because it is divisible at 0. Then 99 ones are 99. So the answer should be 101. Right? Our next question, digit in the ones place of the product of 783 and 896. Whenever we will multiply these two numbers, 6 3s are 18, and when we will do these tens and hundreds place multiplication, we will get here 0. So the ones place will remain 8, whatever is the digits in the other places. So our ones place will be 8. So our right answer is 8. Now digit in the hundreds place of the difference of 53883 and 41834 is 13 minus 4, then 7 minus 3, 4, now 8 minus 8, 0. So the 100 place we have to tell, that will be 0. Now our next part, tens digit in the sum of these three digits. 13846, 62381, 57402. 8 and 4, 12. Whatever becomes the digit at hundreds, thousand and 10,000 place hardly matters. We have to get the tens digit, and that is 2. Okay. Now our next question, replace the box by the correct digit. 7 plus 6 makes 13. 13, what should be added to 13 to make it 8? It is 18 definitely, so the number should be 5. Now 13 and 5 became 18. 1 is a carry. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 6, 13. Here is 6, that is it must be 16. So I should write here 3. Now check. 6 and 1, 7. 7 and 3, 10. 10 and 6, 16. 1 carry will be here. Okay. 8 and 1, 9. 9 and 5, 14. So as per this it must be 5, so that it could become 19. Now 2 and 1, 3. 3 and 4, 7. What should be here? 7 and 2, 9. 8 and 8, 16. It means it must be 0. 1 left. 4. 4 and 6, 10. Now here should be 9 to make it 19. And here became 1. It will be here. Fine. In the same manner, we have to do the subtraction. 4 minus 5 clearly not possible. It means some borrow must have been taken from here, and it must have become 14. So 14 minus 5 became 9. Now what should be here so that the result is 0? Actual 1 minus 1 should be 0. But it has given 1 borrow to this number. So it must be 2. So that after giving the borrow, it became 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 8 minus dash becomes 2. It should be 6. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 10 became from this number. It means if here is 5, 9 minus 5 should be 4. But from here some borrow has been taken. So it must be 10, that is 0. From here it has taken the borrow. Right? Now it became 13. So 13 minus 8, it should be 5. Now it became 8. 8 minus 3, 5. Now in the same way we have to do the product. 8 6 are 48. 8 4s are 32. 8 8s are 64. Now 8 9s are 72 and 6, 78. Next step, to multiply with 0. Put 0 at 1's place and for 10's place zeros. 3 and 3 6. Now for 7, it's at 100 place, so zeros at 1's and 10's. 7 6 are 42. 7 4s are 28. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63 and 5, 68. Now add all these. 8 4 4 7 2 8 to 10 and 1 11, 13 and 1 14, 8 and 1 9, and then 6. Now you will multiply this part yourself, and for D part there is division. First of all, 9 9 9 9. Did the subtraction. Take 1 9. It's not divisible, so it will go at 0. Note down next number. Again not divisible, so again 0. Note down one more digit. Again it is not divisible. So our quotient is 1000 and remainder became this. Now you will solve the B part of question 4 yourself, and your homework is do BT of chapter 2 brain teasers. I am showing you the pic of these questions. Okay, thank you.